Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm your Android version and have a compatible audio file on the device. Once the file is copied to downloads or music, open Settings and go straight to Sound and Vibration or Lock Screen Settings. If you don't see Lock Screen Sound, use the search icon in Settings and type Lock Screen Sound. Make sure the file is MP3 or WAV. Android often ignores unsupported formats. You're preparing everything, so the next step can change the system mapping without detours. Now assign the tone. Navigate to Settings, Sound Advanced or Ringtones and Sounds, then tap the menu to add or choose a custom sound. If your phone uses a sound picker, grant storage permission and select the file path you noted. On manufacturers without direct lock screen options, install a minimal ringtone picker app and set the file as lock screen or default notification, depending on implementation. Once done, verify selection in sound settings and make small adjustments to volume and do not disturb rules. Finish by locking the phone and testing the new sound. You should hear it immediately. If it's silent, make sure media and system volumes aren't muted, then reboot and test again. If problems persist, convert the audio to a standard 128 kbps MP3. Android sometimes rejects unusual encoding. Also inspect app permissions and disable apps that manage sounds. Boot into safe mode to rule out conflicts. Finally, reset sound settings as a last resort. This restores defaults without erasing personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.